Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do Senegalese twist and also how to do your triangle pattern. So I just want you to patiently look and see what I'm doing, because this video already is self-explanatory. So just follow like you see the way I'm parting the hair, following the line coming from down. So you see it's linking, the lines are linking, they are connecting like straight lines. So for the braids I'm actually using 7 wool. So the wool I'm having in my hands, no, that's not 7, sorry, I'm using 10 wool. Yes, so if you want this very size of wool, then you go for 10 wools. So I like you to carefully look here to see what I'm doing, because twining wool is sometimes tricky. As you can see, I try to twine it in between my fingers first before crossing it over. When you twine it with your fingers first before crossing it over, it makes the wool to stay just where you put it, like just where you've twisted it. But when you just flip it over without twining it with your fingers, by the time you are done twisting and you allow the hair, it will twist, like it will undo, it will just puff back and you will see the thing will become very big. So when twisting or when doing Senegalese twist, always make sure that you twine the hair between your fingers before crossing it over. That way your hair would not undo, like it will not be puffy when you are done twisting. But if you want it to be puffy, then you can just flip it over. At the end you achieve that puffy result. Okay guys, this is what I was really trying to explain to you, how to twist the hair in between your fingers before crossing it over. That way you don't get a puffy twist. If you want a twist that is really down, like looking good, sleek, you have to twist it in between your fingers, as you can see me doing here. Then you cross it over, you twist it and you twist the other one, cross it over, just like that. And at the end of the hair you are going to get something good. And the reason why I have to insist on twisting it is because I was plaiting a natural hair, so it has the tendency of like coming out and the hair revealing through the wool. So I don't want that, and that's why I did so. So after, you're going to get the scissors, cut the edges. Remember when I was braiding, I was tying a knot at the edge. So after cutting, you use a gas lighter, matches, candle, whatever you have, then you burn the edges. You're going to burn the edges so that it doesn't unravel, because if you don't burn the edges to secure it very well, you discover that in a very short period of time the hair will start unraveling, like it will be loosed. So after burning the edges with maybe your gas lighter or whatever you have, then you are good to go. Guys, I'm done with the hair, as you can see. So I'm just going in with my styling mousse to melt down any flying hair. And also because her hair is a natural hair, so it has a tendency of coming out of the wool, so I'm just using this styling mousse to melt everything down so that everything look neat and clean and beautiful as well, as you can see. So after this I'm just going to be like spray it. I'll use my spray just to make everything shiny and beautiful. So guys, if you've learned something in this video, please, I need you guys to encourage me. Just hit that like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be immediately notified. I have great contents coming up, I have great things coming up, so please stay notified, like turn on the notification bell in order not to miss any video coming from me. Guys, subscribe to this beautiful hair. If you like this hair and you want to encourage me, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye.